welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are gonna look at gold. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you will be notified in time for all the analysis that we publish. So let's get back to our gold chart now. What we see on the monthly time frame, we can see that price created a double top on the upper part of the structure, so price actually faced a strong resistance and it is moving lower. What is really important and interesting at the same time is that price broke down a very strong support area that was located in this zone near 1675, and we can see the breakout that happened during this month on the monthly chart. This is very important because in this way price just confirmed a double top pattern and now it can continue moving lower. So here we have our scenario right now. This is a double top pattern. This is showing to us that on the monthly chart we will see the price to keep moving lower from this point. So this is what we actually see on the monthly chart. What we need to be careful is that we don't know how deep this correction may continue, because we can see this type of movement before the price moves down, or we can see the price to correct close to the structure resistance area right now, because this broken resistance support now is turned into resistance. So let's break it down on the weekly time frame. What we are gonna see here is that price closed the previous week below the structure and also the week that was before. So we have the second week and the third week of September closed below the support area. This is showing that volume is actually decreasing a lot here. On the other hand, we can see that price is actually doing lower lows and lower highs, so this is a moment that price is actually respecting the structure for the bearish continuation movement. And what we can actually do here is that we can see how the price respected all these areas that we already have here. Just one moment. And we will see that price tested the support in a very interesting way. So probability is very high that we can see the price to move within this area again. So what can happen is that price can come close to this area and after that it will continue on the lower side of the structure. So let's break it down more. This will be a multi-time frame analysis where we need to focus for a normal price target during the coming weeks. I would say we can look at the lower part of the structure. This can be one target. This is going to be a big target, let's say, because it will take some time before the price will move here. The next one that we can look at is this top of the structure. It's very interesting. 1550, and we have also a minor structure that is in this area. So also this part we have structure close to this zone. Look at these wicks here and also this one. If we are gonna look at this pattern on the daily time frame, what is very interesting as well is that here it becomes more visible, it is more clear. Look at the target that we have here, the structure support. We have support, very nice support again, so the lower part is going to be a very interesting support area. The second one looks strong as well. We have 1 correction, 2 and 3, so it was tested 3 times during the previous time, also this part of the structure, so this is showing for very good zone where the price may test right now. And let's go on the left side, also the first target that we have here, this is a minor target. We have the price that was stopped also here several times in this structure. If we are gonna look at it on the daily time frame, look at how clear are all of these structures where the price is moving down. So all of these are large movements. Just one moment. We can see that we had this part of the correction, how the price came down. Look at the next correction here, very big as well. And the other part of the corrections. This was one piece on its own, this bigger correction. It was very deep. What may happen is that we need to see what is going on the 4-hour chart for this part of the structure. And if we are going to look at it on the 4-hour, it becomes very interesting overall. This pattern becomes more clear right now. So we had a rising wedge pattern on the top. We had another pattern at this point that created this type of expansion. Another pattern here for ABC correction. So all the time that price tried to increase, we can see it moving lower. And here we have another pattern that I have actually shared right now. So this is our position. What can happen again is that price can come close to the support area, to the resistance area. It can test the resistance, and after that it can continue with the bearish movement. Also during the previous time, look at the retest, it was very clear, price increased and after that it moved lower again. So this is what may happen. The first resistance area should be near to 1650 approximately, and after that it should continue lower with the targets that we placed earlier on the chart. So these are our targets that I am expecting. It is only one problem, that overall the fundamental perspective with gold, and on the other hand what is happening, it's not in line at all, because all the countries are facing higher inflation rate, and on the other hand gold is just moving in a well-defined bearish trend. So this is a bit strange overall, considering that the US is at the top of the 40-year highs according to inflation numbers, but the technical aspect is showing that price just keeps moving lower, so it is confirming this type of movement for the price continuation. So let's see what is going to happen. Overall the trend is well defined at this point as a bearish trend. The only invalidation of all of this movement will happen only if price is going to bounce above this channel, but this channel that this pattern that I actually pointed out here is a bit very big, so until that moment we are going to look at only for the sell on gold. So this is overall for the gold analysis. Let's see what the market will bring to us during the coming weeks. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future content. Bye bye.